Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me today. What I wanted to do today is just remind you that we have an upcoming course that's set to release. Really, it's a rework of our version 1 Understanding the Stock Market course. And if you're brand new to trading, if you're just getting your feet wet, because there's always people that are just brand new, don't know where to start, this course is really what it's all about. It's all about getting started and getting some insight on trading, investing in the stock market. So take a look at our website here. This is the website Rise, the number 2, Learn. We're also having it if you go to our Traders Fly website, it's going to be right there as well. And you can see this course right here. It's getting ready to launch and release the 26th of January. And we're going to have a button right here where you can see all the details. Right now, just to give you a little perspective, here's what the course is really all about. So with version 2, there's kind of the big picture to investing. What is a stock? What's the stock market? Why do stocks move? Why invest and how you make money from it? Some industry basics, the game of Wall Street. Before you start trading and investing, some things you should know. The trader in you, trading mindsets, why most traders fail. Going long versus going short. What does all these things mean? Finding good stocks to invest in, executing orders, like the actual execution part and process, common Q&As, final words of wisdom and some resources, and bonus walkthrough of the Thinkorswim trading platform, which is a very common platform that a lot of people use. We've got a study guide, PowerPoint, and slide handouts. So these are all the things that are included with this course. So it's a really good detailed course if you're brand new to trading and investing, and if you're just kind of getting started in the world of stocks. It just gives you a big picture overview. And what we're going to do is we're going to give this course a discount when it first launches at about 40% or so off. So check the website. The coupon will be right on the website when it's available and ready to purchase. But I just wanted to remind you and that this course is set to release within just a couple days on the 26th. So thank you so much for sticking with me, for checking out the courses, for just being a part of the trading community and family. And if you're serious about getting into stocks, then this is a good starting point for those of you that are brand new, maybe just dabbling in it. And of course, there's a lot of free videos that we have on our YouTube page and also on our Traders Fly website, which if you want to go ahead and check out the website right here at tradersfly.com, there's going to be a getting started guide right here that you could check out. And it also gives you a good starting point right there about learning, books, video courses, smart way to learn to trade. So it gives you a good foundation there as well. And we have a lot of free videos when it comes to our education part, where you could just go ahead and scroll through and learn a lot. But what this course does is really just packs it in to just, hey, go ahead, start it, run through it, and finish it. And it's in one swoop rather than hopping around through videos and trying to get little clips and bits and pieces there. Think of it like a class where you're just going in and you're going through it and really working it one-on-one. So anyways, the course is detailed. It's roughly about 10 hours long. So you can see here, this module is 38 minutes, 18 minutes, 41 minutes, 49 minutes. So it's not just a quick 5-10 minute video here and there. They are detailed videos, so that way you get some really good in-depth content and material. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. Remember to hit subscribe here on YouTube if you're brand new, if you're just getting started to investing, so that way you could go ahead and continue to learn more from the videos, or sign up to our newsletter list right here, so that way you get notified as we release other future courses, products, materials, and much more. Anyways, thanks again, and remember, do what you love, contribute to others, but most importantly, live life abundantly. Don't forget to check out that course on our website at tradersfly.com. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.